Hey there, DIers and professional craftsmen. Today we've got something exciting in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of cordless nail guns, where we've handpicked the top 6 models of 2023. These incredible tools will revolutionize the way you tackle your projects, making nailing a breeze. So, let's get right into it. Starting off with a bang, we have the Metabo HPT, a true powerhouse in the realm of cordless nailers. Let's start with its design. The Metabo HPT boasts an ergonomic and well-balanced structure that fits comfortably in your hand. No more awkward postures or wrist strain during long projects. You'll feel the difference from the moment you pick it up. Now, what truly sets this nail gun apart is its remarkable battery life. With an advanced lithium-ion battery, the Metabo HPT can keep going and going, ensuring you have enough juice to tackle extensive projects without frequent recharges. But wait, there's more. The Metabo HPT packs a serious punch with its adjustable driving depth, allowing you to customize the nail's penetration for different materials and applications. Whether you're working with softwoods, hardwoods, or even sheet metal, this nailer delivers consistent and precise results every time. And guess what? The Metabo HPT comes with an integrated LED light, illuminating your work area in dimly lit environments. So, whether you're working in a basement or a poorly lit corner, this feature ensures you don't miss a nail and guarantees a professional finish every time. Ryobi One Plus. Alright, nail gun enthusiasts, get ready to be blown away by the sheer versatility of the Ryobi One Plus. If you're on the hunt for a cordless nailer that can do it all, look no further. This nail gun is compatible with the entire Ryobi One Plus battery range, meaning you can swap batteries between your other One Plus tools, eliminating the need to carry multiple batteries and chargers. It's the ultimate cost-saving and space-saving solution. Here's the kicker. The Ryobi One Plus won't weigh you down. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure you can tackle any nailing job with ease. Even those tricky overhead tasks will be a breeze, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably without fatigue setting in. It is equipped with a tool-free depth adjustment system, giving you complete control over the nail's penetration. It's a game-changer when you're working with different materials and nail sizes. Plus, the dry-fire lockout mechanism prevents any mishaps and extends the life of the nail gun, protecting your investment for the long haul. And speaking of protection, the Ryobi One Plus has got you covered. Its no-mar tip ensures your work surfaces stay free from any unsightly damage while you work. No more worrying about leaving marks on delicate materials. You'll have a pristine finish every time. Milwaukee M18 FUEL. Now let's talk about the Milwaukee M18 FUEL, a cordless nail gun that brings innovation to the forefront. When we say powerhouse, we mean it. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL boasts an incredibly robust brushless motor that delivers jaw-dropping power. This nail gun handles even the most demanding tasks with ease, making it a beast for framing, decking, and any other challenging nailing job you can throw its way. It comes equipped with intelligent technology that sets it apart from the competition. Its RedLink Plus trademark intelligence ensures you get consistent nail depth, preventing over-penetration and underdriving. The result? Flawless, professional-looking results every single time. And accuracy is crucial in any nailing task, and the Milwaukee M18 FUEL nails it, pun intended. Its precision nose allows you to access tight spots with ease, giving you the control you need for those intricate projects. Another thing you'll love about the Milwaukee M18 FUEL is its remarkable battery life. With the M18 Red Lithium trademark battery, you'll get maximum runtime, allowing you to tackle extended projects without any interruptions. Next is the DEWALT DCN680D1, a name synonymous with quality and excellence. If you're all about those delicate finishing touches and require a nail gun that can handle trim work like a pro, then look no further. This nail gun features a micro nose, allowing you to place the nails exactly where you want them, even in tight spaces. What makes the DEWALT DCN680D1 even more remarkable is its powerful brushless motor. Not only does it provide efficient performance, but it also extends the tool's life, so you can keep crafting with confidence for years to come. But wait, there's more. The magazine on the DEWALT DCN680D1 holds up to 110 nails, meaning less time spent reloading and more time spent nailing. Its tool-free depth adjustment ensures you get the perfect nail depth for any material, whether it's hardwood, softwood, or even delicate moldings. And here's the icing on the cake. The DEWALT DCN680D1 comes equipped with a no-mar tip, protecting delicate surfaces from any accidental damage. It's the ideal tool for those high-end finishing projects that require the utmost care and attention. Next, we have the CRAFTSMAN CMCN616C1. The CRAFTSMAN CMCN616C1 is a compact cordless nail gun that offers unparalleled convenience and effortless mobility. It is perfect for on-the-go jobs, such as trim work, molding, and other projects that demand precision. The compact design allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, making it an ideal tool for trim work and molding. The CRAFTSMAN CMCN616C1 features a tool-free jam release mechanism, allowing for quick and easy resolution of jams. It also offers a tool-free depth adjustment system, allowing for easy adaptation to different materials and nail sizes. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable work for extended periods without straining the hand. The powerful motor provides ample power for various nailing tasks, from baseboards to crown moldings. The built-in LED light brightens up the work area, ensuring precision nailing without missing a mark. For those looking for cordless nailing, the CRAFTSMAN CMCN616C1 is the perfect addition to your tool arsenal. Lastly, we have the Makita XNB02RJ. The Makita XNB02RJ is a cordless nail gun that offers lightning-fast performance and maximum efficiency for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features a rapid-fire mode that fires nails in quick succession, allowing for uninterrupted, efficient nailing. The high-performance motor ensures consistent and reliable driving power, even in dense materials. The Makita offers precise depth adjustment, allowing for easy control of nail penetration. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The long-lasting battery ensures continuous, efficient nailing without frequent recharges. The built-in LED light ensures precise nailing in dimly lit areas. Whether you're a professional looking to boost productivity or a DIY enthusiast seeking ultimate efficiency, the Makita XNB02RJ is your secret weapon. Click the link in the description to experience the speed and power of cordless nailing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.